Hey y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I've never done one of these before, so I'm definitely gonna need your feedback on this. So drop down in the comments when we're all finished and let me know how you're liking this type of video coming from me. I took my glasses off today because the ring light on my last video, I think it was the jewelry video, as well as the beginning of my big chop video, you could see the ring light in my reflection. So I'm gonna have to do a little better with taking my glasses off when I'm doing a sit down, or shall I say a stand up in front of the ring light. So right now we're gonna go on ahead and just flip things around. I'm gonna just go this way in the hallway and I'm going to try on a couple of items that I picked up from Shein. Yes, I'm late to the party. I've never ordered from them before. I was always skeptical because just ordering from different companies, I'm just always kind of iffy about it, you know? Now I will say that this was purchased with my own money. Shein, if you want to send your girls some stuff to review, hey, I'm your girl. But let's go on ahead and jump right on into this video. So I'll be right back with you. Well, you know what? Let's do it a little different. I have had this package since August 22nd. Now, that was a month ago, and I have not opened it. Today is September 26th, so yeah. So, I'll just open it while I'm on here. I'm gonna just move my MacBook out of the way. There. So, okay. Now, I will tell you guys this. It's pretty much gonna be more t-shirts, I believe. I really don't know, y'all. I ordered this so long ago. It took forever to get here, and now I'm taking forever to open it up and show you guys. But I see clearly that everything is in separate packages. Most of these items were super cheap, which is another reason why I went on ahead and picked them up, because I needed some more t-shirts. Y'all seen this one too many times. So if I like it, of course I'll be making another order, but let's go on ahead and just start trying on some stuff, okay? If I'm looking a little different and you haven't been on my channel, yes, I big chop, okay? For the ones that have not, you know, been over my way in a minute, I'll link that big chop video. Yeah, the girl got a lot going on. This is the first shirt, and like I said, all of these shirts were super cheap. I will try my best to list how much they cost on the screen. A really basic tee, and this is one of the baby tees, so this is a size large. This one says, first I drink coffee, then I do things. So this is the first shirt. Alright, so next up we have this right here. It's a little bit bigger. I actually got it in a medium. This was a regular type t-shirt. This one right here was more of a baby style tee on the women's side. I got it in a medium because I wanted to wear it with my tights. This one is a little looser. I kind of like it like that. This is a medium, and it says believe in yourself. I really like it. It's soft, and it was cheap. I think I'm gonna order some more. I just never really knew the quality of them, and for under $8, you can't beat that. So this is my second tee, and I'm going ahead and change into the next item. I'm gonna be real honest. I got this because it matches my phone, and I love what it says. Beautiful soul. A lot of people may not think that of me, but I like to think that of me. So when I saw this t-shirt, I was like, get it, K Moe, get it. And again, it was cheap, under $8. I try to throw the prices up on the screen. I really thought it was cute. I got it again, same reason as the white one, so that I could have it when I wear my tights. I wear tights a lot now. I'm in the house a lot, so I wear a lot of tights and t-shirts, so that was right up my alley. I hope y'all can see the real color clarity with this one. It is really cute. I love the color, and I love what it says. So, beautiful soul, matches my iPhone. Yeah, so let's go on and try on the next piece. Yeah, I saw this one on Facebook. You know how Facebook gets you? They see that you've been on a website, and then they start throwing all those little topics and things. Well, y'all, this one caught out to me because y'all know your girl really ain't trying to be around too many people these days. But it says social distancing. If you can read this, you're too close. So hopefully y'all can't read that bottom line because y'all don't need to be that close. But let me come on in a little bit so y'all can see. And I'm pretty sure y'all done saw this one on Facebook too. But it's more of a baby tee type shirt. So I really like this. I'm really pleased so far. I have a couple of more pieces that I need to show y'all, but I want to say this one is probably my favorite one. I don't know if it's because I colored my hair and it's kind of blending. I don't really know, but I really like it. So I'm gonna show y'all the next item. Just a minute. Now this one is not a t-shirt, it's a dress. So don't ask me what that say. Y'all can see what it says. It's in French or something, I don't know, but that's what it says. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see the dress. I don't have any shoes on, so I'm just still backing up for y'all to see the dress. So, cute little dress, but I'm gonna tell you, I was very smart when I ordered this. Something told me, even though I done lost weight and I'm not the size I used to be, something told me order an extra large, because I know a lot of times the companies, they kind of run a little small with certain dresses. So this one, even though I am 5'2", I weigh about 150, and this is an extra large. So if you're more hippie like I used to be, got more back there like I used to, more up here, you know, just keep in mind this is an extra large, okay? And that little dress, this was on clearance, y'all. I only got it because it's on clearance, even though it's fall time. I love the color. I feel like I could probably layer it with a maybe a cardigan or something like that if it's on a chill night. But this one is the only dress actually that I got, and like I said, it was on clearance, so that was another reason why I got it. But keep in mind, this is an extra large, and I will have the prices on the screen. I have a couple more pieces for you, so I'm gonna go on ahead and pull out the next piece. Actually, this is the next piece. These are anklets. I'm not gonna put them on today. I know y'all probably want me to put them on, but with myself right now I can't. I will show you guys these in another video. I did show you guys an anklet that I picked up from Just Made Jewelry, so if y'all haven't checked that video out, please check it out. But this is another anklet. I got it. It's got some gold hues to it, not silver, but I got it for a reason. Really cute. It's layered really nicely. It looks really small, but I see they have the adjusters, but it's one anklet set, y'all. And it comes with the blue, it says love, and then it's layered with this, as well as this. This is on clearance as well. It's one set of anklets, okay? But it's just multi-layered, all right? Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the last piece. Save this one for the last piece for a reason. This is my absolute favorite scripture. I saw this one on Facebook too, y'all. You know how it pops up, and I was like, oh, this one is the one that really made me place the order. I love that it's black. Y'all know I love my black. And then I love that it has like the little centerpiece right here. And of course, this is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Y'all, that is the first scripture that I ever learned from my big mama. That is something that I recite all the time in my head. So I really had to pick this one up. It's under $8. I will put the price up here when I get back to my email and figure out the exact prices. This is the last piece. Like I said, this is a baby tee style shirt. This one is in a large. You will see this shirt in another video because I'm not changing and I have to batch record, but I'm gonna put the camera down real quick and I'm gonna just show y'all everything up close and personal. So give me just a second. All right, so it's a little wrinkled, but whatever. This is the top that I had on first. I drink the coffee, then I do the things. Next up was the shirt that I told y'all I believe it was a unisex shirt, even though it has butterflies on it. And it says believe in yourself. Next was the shirt that matched my iPhone. It says beautiful soul. Here we have the social distancing shirt, and then you see that it says if you can read this, you're too close. And then this is the dress. That's what it says. Feel free to have at it. C'est la vie. I don't know, but this is the dress, and this is the one set of the anklets, y'all. Love on this piece. This is white with the gold. This is gold, and then this piece right here. And like I said, it's all layered. This was one set. Y'all saw the price on the screen, so you can wear it together, you can wear it separately. I just thought this was really cute and very, very, very affordable. So that's that anklet set right there. This is like a little pearly material. If y'all can see, let me get this focus better. There you go. I know I don't do gold, but it was a reason for this. And yeah, that concludes my very first Shein haul. Sorry it wasn't like outfits or whatever, but like I said, this is my first time ordering from them, so I had to play it safe with the t-shirts at first. This is my very favorite one. If you're looking at my necklace and you're wondering where I got it from, I do have a video link and a coupon code for you, so I'll link that video somewhere in this video, and please make sure you use that coupon code. This is very affordable jewelry, so definitely check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments, let me know which was your favorite piece. If you want to see more videos like this from me, let me know. I won't know if you don't tell me. So I'm gonna go on ahead and end this one now, because like I said, I got so much to do. You will see this shirt again, I'm just being honest, okay? All right, so I'm going ahead and end this now. It's been a pleasure. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.